Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson. Today I want to speak to you about manifesting love when it's over. The truth. This is a topic that comes up over and over and over and over again. And today I wanted to speak about it. I wanted to bring it to you because you asked for it. So watch this video to the end if you're one of those people that's trying to manifest love or trying to manifest love in a relationship that is no longer there. And don't forget, if you want more of my videos, please subscribe, please like, and most of all, hit that bell. Okay? So let's talk about manifesting love when it's over. I'm going to give it to you as it is. Yes, people, manifesting love. Now, everyone wants at one point in their life or all through their life to be in love, to be in that great relationship that's just going to take you out of this world. Everyone has been there. Everyone wants it. It's part of human nature. There is nothing wrong with it. What do I have to say about manifesting love when it's over? There's nothing wrong with wanting love. There is absolutely nothing wrong with wanting love. But when that relationship is over, that's where the problem comes in at. There are so many of us out there looking for love, but looking for love in the wrong areas. I've been there. We all been there. Okay. So there's times that a lot of people just don't know when to let go of that relationship. Let go and move on. One thing I would like to say, I hope this helps you out there if you're one of these people. You cannot move on or allow God to bless you with a relationship that's just for you if you're holding on to a closed door. If you're holding on to a relationship that is no longer there. I know you're probably saying, well, Yvette, I just love him. Oh, Yvette, I just love her. Hey, I understand, and I'm not shooting you down. But the thing is, no matter if it's a relationship, a job, or anything else, you cannot move on. You cannot let God work through you to bring you something better if you're holding on to the past. People, the past is the past. But if you're holding on to it, you are actually bringing your past to the future. Now, I tell people when they send me these emails or messages about love and wanting to get someone back, you can manifest that love. You can. But is it really love? Is it really what you want? Or is it the moment of now, not having that person that is attracting you or making you want that person more and more? If the relationship wasn't working, then that relationship wasn't for you. Now, a lot of people like the bad boy, the bad girl, the relationships that keeps them on the edge. But at the same time, is that relationship for you? Now, you can manifest someone into your life, but that doesn't mean that relationship was for you. So you could decide if you're going to allow God to bring you the right person, or are you going to demand that you get a particular person that may not be for you? Listen, we all been there. You thought that person was for you, and then when you finally got that person, you were miserable. Yes. Plain and simple, people. Because you didn't let God bring that person to you. You brought that person to you. The ego brought that person to you, not God. And it's a shame because so many marriages are built on this same foundation. So, manifesting love when it's over is the topic for today. You might get that person, but most likely you won't be happy. So let's talk about relationships where you tried to manifest that person. And I'm going to tell you basically what you can do to manifest that person. Okay, first of all, I want to tell everyone has free will. Who are you to demand or manifest someone in your life when you know it's over? Everyone has free will. Maybe that person's a little confused too, because that person has to have some kind of attraction to you in order for it to work. But you can manifest that person in your life by visualizing being with that person, by visualizing that person calling you, saying affirmations, wishful thinking, I call it. These are the things that's going to place you in that person's environment so that person can be attracted to you more. It's just like that car that you want. All of a sudden you see that car and you just love that car, and then all of a sudden you start seeing that car all over the place. Well, when you are attracting someone into your life and you using the law of attraction deliberately, being a deliberate creator, you tend to see that person more and more. Now, however it works that you guys get back together, it's because you willed it. Now, these are some of the things that can happen once you use the law of attraction to attract that love. The relationship was over. There was a reason for that relationship being over. Just because you attracted that person in your life, that person still has free will to live his life or her life the way she wants to. So you just attracted that life or that situation into your life. Was that person abusive? And you just attracted that back into your life. Why? This is where mirror work comes in. And I go back to this over and over and over again. You have to love yourself. If you truly love yourself and you love that person in the mirror, you will want only the best for that person because you love that person. And that's why I advise people to do mirror work. You attracted that love of your life, so-called love of your life, into your life, and he beats you up. He slaps you. He embarrasses you in front of your friends. He isolates you from your family. Whatever the situation was that caused you to break up with this person, it could have been you. And that person could have fled from you. Either way, no matter what side it's on, it was like oil and water. It does not mix. But you still wanted to attract that person into your life. So you just attracted, like so many of us attract bad situations in our lives. It's time to move on. It's time to manifest real love and allow God to work through you to bring it to you. That's by going out there, having fun, going where you love to be, so you can meet people like-minded like you in the spots where you are. This is the time to get out and God brings someone to you that you least expected. Manifesting love, when it's over, can lead you to living a life of misery for many, many, many years. Some people never get out of it, and they leave this earth in a relationship that they knew wasn't right for them. How are you going to live your life? Are you going to be one of those people that write me and say, I want him back? I'll say, hey, visualize, do affirmations, do scripting. Whatever it is you need to do. But remind you, he has to be a little bit receptive to what it is you're sending out in order for it to work, because he has free will. But when you get that man or that woman, remember, you get what you ask for. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, always sending you the most updated, true, like the girl next door, information that there is. If you want to follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. Also, you can follow me at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Go buy some of those pink quartz and attract that love to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to be notified about my videos, hit that bell. Out of anything you can do right now, I want you to hit that bell. This video was on manifesting love when it's over, giving it to you as the truth. Again, this is Yvette. Namaste.